There are so many people that have used permaculture tools in the way they've changed their lives. Oh, well, I'm with Rob Avis here in Canada, and Rob, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So my wife and I, Michelle, are mechanical engineers, and we live in Calgary, Alberta. And we've been on quite the journey over the last 7 years. So we both originally worked in the oil and gas industry as pipeline and facilities engineers. So we were the guys that brought energy to market, essentially. We took it out of the ground, processed it, sent it to people's homes. And probably about 4 years into my career, one of my friends sent me your Greening the Desert video. And well, it was all history from there.
What inspired you to take a PDC, the Permaculture Design Certificate course? What inspired you to take that in the first place?
Well, I'm a bit of a nerd, and I calculated how many hours of life I had on this planet when I was working in the oil and gas industry, around 600,000 hours. And while I didn't mind the work, it was challenging, paid well. After watching Greening the Desert, I was like, man, there's a guy that's actually putting every one of his hours of life into something that's making the planet a better place, that's not supporting status quo. And I couldn't not chase that dream. And so instead of supporting status quo, I decided to figure out how we could repair ecosystems. And the PDC seemed like a logical choice for me.
So if someone asks you to briefly explain what you were doing before the PDC and what you're now doing after, what would you say if you've got to make it really brief? Say, this is what I did, this is what I'm doing.
I went from a career of exploitation to one of harvesting and regeneration.